Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
How long does an Attorney General investigation take? This is one of the most common questions people ask, and the honest answer is, it depends entirely on the case. There is no standard timeline, and the process can range from a few short months to many, many years. To understand why, you have to look at the key factors that control the speed of an investigation. First, and most importantly, is the complexity of the case. An investigation into a single local business for a clear-cut violation might be relatively quick. But an antitrust investigation into a major national corporation or a fraud investigation spanning multiple states involves sifting through millions of documents, hiring expert witnesses, and analyzing complex financial data. The more moving parts and the more technical the subject, the longer it will take. A second major factor is cooperation. Is the company or individual being investigated cooperating with the Attorney General's office? If they willingly provide documents and access to witnesses, the process can move much more smoothly. However, it's very common for targets to fight back. They may file legal challenges to every subpoena, refuse to turn over information, or use delay tactics. Each of these legal battles can add months, or even a year, to the timeline before the real evidence gathering can even begin. Third, consider the scope of the investigation. Is the AG looking at one company's bad behavior, or an entire industry-wide practice? A broader investigation that involves multiple companies, potentially in coordination with other states' attorneys general, is exponentially more complicated and time-consuming. The amount of evidence to collect and the number of parties involved can stretch the timeline significantly. The resources of the Attorney General's office also play a huge role. These are government agencies with budgets and staffing limitations. A high-profile case might get a lot of resources, but those investigators and attorneys are often juggling many other cases at the same time. Finally, the investigation itself happens in stages. It might start with an informal inquiry. If that raises red flags, it becomes a formal investigation where they issue subpoenas. After they gather evidence, a long period of negotiation might follow to see if a settlement is possible. If not, the AG may decide to file a lawsuit, which starts an entirely new and often lengthy legal process in court. So, while a very simple case might wrap up in under a year, it is not uncommon for a moderately complex investigation to take 2 to 4 years. The largest, most challenging cases can easily last 5 years or more from the first inquiry to the final resolution. Thanks so much for watching and learning about this process. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit the like button and be sure to